side.
Oh, doesn't that trucker rocket sound good? Listen to it. The steep drop-offs on either side are just one of the things that makes Billy Goats exactly what it is.
Oh, geez, there goes my mirror.
Rocket, you've built a weapon here, mate.
Did I?
The view from the top of Billy Goat is just insane. That's when you realise how high you've actually travelled and how tight this ridge is too. Wow. It's something else, isn't it? The whole high country just spread out in front of us. Rocket's new 79 really is the duck's nuts around here.
Whoa!
The automatic is so impressive. I can't believe the way it travels.
You hardly notice. Just wake me when I'm at the top, Rocket.
With the V8 diesel, it has to be pretty much the ultimate tow vehicle.
Keep going.
And for us, that's translating to the ultimate recovery vehicle. You can do just about anything with it.
Whoa! Beautiful.
Soon enough, even Ken's caught out by the lack of traction.
You're in a bit of trouble there, mate.
Just a little bit. I'm just hoping I don't kiss this tree.
Well, this is the hazard of trailers in the high country, especially in the rain. Ken's basically just run out of traction. He can't do anything there without causing a bit of havoc. Fortunately, Rocket Rod, this automatic, it's really coming into its own, I'll tell you, because he's got lots of weight, lots of power, lots of tyres and an automatic, which hopefully means that he can pull on up here, just relieve enough of the pressure on Ken's rig that he can power back on too. Now we're talking about double diff lock trucks with all the good gear, you know what I mean? And we're still battling it out. Why? Graded track, rain, high country. Slippery as. 4 metres, mate. A little bit of left hand down. This is unreal.
Let's go.
Oh, Rocket, that is awesome, man. Oh, look at it. Wow.
On your rocket ship.
Well, Kenny's happy, so he should be. Not only awesome, it sounds awesome, Rocket. With the root chip and exhaust, Rocket's truck sounds as good as it looks. Steve, wet, slippery. Wow, that thing is a high country weapon.
That was insane last night.
It was. Big tracks.
Incredible tracks. This thing, it's an animal. An absolute, what do you attribute it to? I mean, 4-tonne truck shouldn't be doing what it's doing.
I couldn't do it without the auto. That's plain and simple.
So if we put a manual in that tomorrow, would you still attack the tracks that we're doing?
Wouldn't even bother trying.
How many of those auto conversions have you done now?
350.
That's incredible, mate. Incredible. 350 autos. And what's the benefit of an auto?
Well, obviously, it's how easy they are. I mean, on-road, off-road, massive control.
Yep.
Now, look at our guys. Most of them are automatic now.
And they're so reliable?
Oh, never have a fault. 350 conversions now, not a single complaint.
Not a single complaint.
Not a single complaint.
Mate, if that's the past, here's to 350 in the future, mate. I think it's going to go nuts, and without a doubt, automatics are the future in four-wheel drive.
Well, if they don't have an automatic, then convert one.
I hear you. Cheers.
That was close.
You know, it does come down to that truck having so much weight and yet the auto doing such a good job of pushing it through terrain like this.
Mighty 79, come on!
Of course, we are only halfway up, so we shouldn't be celebrating just yet.
Flop through here.
Oh, I think you've threaded the needle. I think you've done it, son. Oh, what a truck. What a truck.
The seesaw motion.
Mount Walker.
Up we go. Hey!
Yeah, buddy. We shouldn't celebrate. We're not there yet.
No, we're not there yet.
The amount of control that Rod has got over that truck being an automatic is amazing. I did not realise just how good an auto is in this type of terrain. I am sold on an auto. With Rocket Rod behind the wheel, I've got every confidence we're going to make it. Yeah, this is the rock step I had trouble with. You're breathing. You've finally taken a breath. Yeah! Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Come on! Come on, girl! Up you get! And to the left. Go to the left. Left it is. Oh, yes! Yes!
Still travelling away.
We're here!
We're there!
Yeah, buddy!
Done it! Hey!
Rodney! Woohoo! Mate, the All Glory final drive. How good was that?
Woohoo! Look at the view! That is awesome!
Rocket Rod is one heck of a driver. He can wheel with the best of them. His experience in the high country means that this hill was never really going to pose much of a problem, and he is absolutely stoked to have made it to the top of Mount Walker.
This was originally a gold mine.
Rod is not holding back in the 79. I tell you what, folks, hearing that big engine echoing through the forest was something else. Look at that exit. He's nearly blown up and taken air. Righto, Rod, that's section 1. See you go on section 2.
What a drive, Rod!
Well, I got up the steep bit, but unfortunately, I've beached myself on the clay.
Go back a bit.
It actually flattens out a little bit. I'm just guiding Rod back so that he can get a bit of a run up for this next section.
No, I'm not going to let anything happen there. Right, that'll do you. I reckon you have to give it to her.
Yes, yes, yes! Go, Rod!
Go, Rod! Come on! Go! Go! Drive it! Stop there!
That was everything she had, but I'm happy to give it another go.
This is where he got to.
tell you what, this might look like you should just drive up this. Guarantee you, on camera, it's going to look like a flat bit of track. It's not flat. It's quite steep. What's more important though, is the rod's about to run me over. This stuff is super slippery, super slippery. Attempt number 2. Every time he goes, he gets a little bit further.
Yes! Hey! You beat it! Hey!
You animal!
How great was that?
Brother! That's perseverance for you.
You did it!
I agree. What an epic drive.
Love it.
What an epic drive. I ran up that hill 6 times. That's a silly thing to do.
Yeah, we just stopped for lunch, so I want to take a minute to check out Rod's 79. Now, I've got a 79 series myself. Just want to check it out and show you guys back at home the automatic.
Hey, what are you up to?
Mate, it must be alarming this door or something, is it? I thought I'd just take the second to check out the auto conversion, mate, because you know I've got a 79 series. Mate, straight away I can tell this is pretty much, looks factory to me.
You like the finish?
Mate, this is insane. You'd assume that you bought this off the showroom floor like this.
You want it to be all genuine, have a genuine finish, a genuine look. The console's handcrafted, but the T-bar assembly is all genuine Toyota. The transmission, genuine Toyota 6-speed automatic out of the twin turbo 200 series. So,
Yeah, right.
So the 6 gear itself actually brings the RPM down by another 1,000 RPM over the manual. This one's only doing 1,500 RPM at 100 k's an hour. This thing fully loaded up and out. With 35s, with the rooftop tent and everything, 14 litres per 100.
Where can people go to find out more information about these auto conversions?
Oh, the easiest way is jump on the website, askauto.com.au.
It's easy to remember. Cool, mate. I'll leave you to it. I'll get back in the 30.
Good on you.